we now proceed towards the keynote addresses. And firstly, we would love to invite the President, Society of Indian Law Firms, Dr. Lalit Bhasin, to kindly please join us up on this stage, and I would love for you all to help me welcome him. He has been in the law practice for the past 50 years, 58 years since 1962, and he holds various prestigious positions such as President of the Bar Association of India, President of Society of Indian Law Firms, President of Indian Law Foundation. Dr. Bhasin was conferred honorary life membership by the International Bar Association in 1994 in Melbourne. So we welcome you with all our hearts. Such an honor having you here. Please share a few words.
Thank you. Ladies, I don't see any gentlemen. I think there are 2, 3. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. I was a student of Hindu college in the University of Delhi. And we used to frequently go to Miranda House outside just to meet some friends, but always with a desire to know what happens inside the premises of Miranda House. Well, that wish never got fulfilled till I joined the profession and was holding some office as the president of the Bar Association. And I was invited by the principal of Miranda House to come and deliver a lecture on gender sensitization in the legal profession. And that was the first occasion, the only occasion, where I was just surrounded by ladies, and with only some male members representing the security and all that. This is the second occasion that I find myself being surrounded by very eminent, by very gracious, graceful, charming ladies in the profession, either as practicing lawyers or as general counsel or in-house counsel. It's a rare occasion for me. I have never experienced this before, to be addressing only and exclusively a gathering of very, very eminent colleagues from the other sex, you see, representing the legal profession. I was asked, you see, to chair the jury and be a member of jury for selecting. And I very politely declined the request of Akriti Raizada, because being chair of the jury, it has been not a difficult task to select who are the best among the legal professionals in so many events that keep on happening and so many recognitions being given to the lawyers, whether they are practicing lawyers and in-house lawyers. But in this particular case, I declined for the reason that how do we select best from the best, from amongst the best? I consider every lady lawyer as one of the best in the profession. Therefore, to single out some people and not to select others, I felt I can't do justice to that. I can't do justice to that also for the reason that as a male member of the profession, I can never be a homemaker. But you, lady professionals, I recognize you not just as lawyers, because the more important thing, more important position that you hold in life is that of a homemaker. You are daughters, you are wives, you are sisters, you are mothers, And then you have your in-laws and parents to look after and all that. How do you manage to keep this balance between your professional work and your responsibilities as a homemaker? Because those responsibilities are far more important, because you are the creator of the family which is home. We men can't do it. Yes, we can have a supporting role to aid and assist our wives, but we can never be considered as homemakers. Therefore, your performance is all the more significant as legal professionals, because you have kept a balance, a very difficult balance to keep between your responsibilities as a homemaker and your equally responsible position as practicing lawyers representing your clients, as general counsel, as in-house counsel representing the uh, business houses of the country and the multinational companies. That is where I sometimes marvel, how do you keep the balance? And that is why I consider each and every lady lawyer not only to be just a lawyer, but also, and more importantly, a very good homemaker, homekeeper, who is responsible for the growth of the families, you see, in the country. As I said, I have not been a part of this jury, but I have gone through the list of the people who are being, list of the eminent legal professionals who will be honored, who will be awarded, who will be recognized during the award function. And I fully endorse the decisions of the jury, whosoever they were, who have selected these names. But at the same time, I pay my tribute to all the lady professional legal lawyers who may not be the awardees here, may not be the awardees this year, but possibly the awardees next year and the years to come. But even without this recognition, they will continue to be very good and great lawyers, and more importantly, great human beings. So thank you very much for allowing me in this exclusive gathering of my colleagues from the profession, the ladies in the profession, that giving me this privilege to address all of you, which is a very, very rare privilege for me, and I will remember this. Thank you.